I saw a ship a-sailing, I saw a ship a-sailing on the sea, and oh, it was a-laden with pretty things for thee. There were comfits in the cabin, and apples in the hold. The sails were made of silk, and the masts were made of gold. The 24 sailors that stood upon the decks were 24 white mice, with chains about their necks. The captain was a duck, with a packet on his back, and when the ship began to move, the captain cried, "Quack, quack!" Tee-wee's boat. Little Tee-wee he went to sea in an open boat, and when it was afloat, the little boat bended. My story's ended.